Maya, I have to share something embarrassing. Last month, I sent an email to a potential client and accidentally wrote, "I look forward to hearing from you soon," as "I look forward to hear from you soon."
Oh no. Did they notice?
They did! They politely corrected me in their response, and I felt so unprofessional. That's when I realized small English mistakes cost us opportunities.
Absolutely. Today we're covering the 10 most common mistakes that make even advanced English learners sound unprofessional.
And how to fix them permanently. Let's start with mistake number 1. Incorrect prepositions after common verbs.
Give me examples.
Interested about instead of interested in. Depend of instead of depend on. Discuss about instead of just discuss.
These sound minor, but they're red flags to native speakers. They immediately signal non-native proficiency.
How do we fix this?
Learn verb preposition combinations as chunks, not separately. Interested in, depend on, focus on, participate in.
Create a personal list of verbs you use frequently and memorize the correct preposition?
Exactly. Mistake number 2, using much with countable nouns. How many people instead of how much people.
This one catches me sometimes. What's the rule?
Much for uncountable things, much water, much time, much money. Many for countable things, many people, many books, many ideas.
So if you can count it individually, use many?
Yes. Mistake number 3, wrong article usage or missing articles entirely. I have meeting tomorrow instead of I have a meeting tomorrow.
Or the life is beautiful instead of just life is beautiful.
Articles are so confusing. Any quick tips?
Specific things get the. General things often get no article. I love the book you recommended versus I love books in general.
And an for introducing something for the first time?
Exactly. I saw a dog. The dog was cute. First mention uses a, subsequent mentions uses the.
Mistake number 4, subject-verb agreement errors. She don't know instead of she doesn't know. This sounds very unprofessional, especially in written communication, like emails.
How do we avoid this?
Always check your subject. He, she, it takes singular verbs. Has, does, goes. They, we, you take plural verbs. Have, do, go.
Read your sentences out loud. Wrong agreement sounds obviously wrong when you hear it.
Mistake 5, confusing adjectives and adverbs. He speaks English good instead of he speaks English well.
Or she works hardly when you mean she works hard. What's the fix?
Adjectives describe nouns. Good book, hard worker. Adverbs describe verbs. Speaks well, works hard.
Most adverbs end in ly?
Most, but not all. Hard, fast, late stay the same as adverbs. Hardly, fastly don't exist or mean something different.
Mistake 6, overusing very and weak adjectives. Very good, very nice, very bad.
What's wrong with very?
It sounds childish in professional contexts. Instead of very good, say excellent or outstanding. Instead of very bad, say terrible or awful.
Use stronger vocabulary instead of modifying weak words.
Exactly. It makes you sound more articulate and professional. Mistake 7, saying no problem in formal situations.
Wait, what's wrong with no problem?
In casual context, it's fine. But in professional emails or formal conversations, say you're welcome or my pleasure or happy to help.
No problem implies there could have been a problem. It's subtly negative.
I never thought about that. Mistake 8, using get too much in professional writing.
Get is casual. I got your email sounds less professional than I received your email.
Other examples?
Get information becomes obtain information. Get better becomes improve. Get a job becomes secure a position.
So find more precise formal alternatives to get.
In professional writing, yes. In casual conversation, get is perfectly fine.
Mistake 9, incorrect conditional structures. If I would have known, I would have helped instead of if I had known, I would have helped.
Conditional sentences are tricky.
The key pattern is if plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. No would in the if clause for past conditionals.
What about future conditionals?
If I know, I will tell you becomes if I know, I'll tell you. If plus present, will plus base verb.
Mistake 10, ending sentences with prepositions in very formal writing. Who are you talking to versus to whom are you speaking?
But I've heard native speakers end sentences with prepositions all the time.
In conversation, absolutely. It's natural and accepted. But in very formal writing, academic papers, formal reports, avoid it.
So this is context dependent.
Yes. Know your audience. Email to a friend, preposition at the end is fine. Academic essay, restructure the sentence.
Maya, let's talk about quick fixes you can implement immediately.
Yes, give us actionable steps.
Maya, fix number 1. Use Grammarly or similar tools. They catch many of these errors automatically while teaching you the corrections.
So you learn as you write?
Exactly. Over time, you'll internalize the patterns. Maya, fix number 2. Read your writing out loud before sending.
Why does this help?
Your ear catches mistakes your eyes miss. Wrong agreement, missing articles, awkward phrasing, they all sound wrong when spoken.
Fix 3. Keep a personal mistake log. Every time someone corrects you or you catch an error, write it down.
Then review this log regularly?
Yes, your mistakes are personalized feedback showing exactly what you need to learn.
Fix 4?
Maya. Study professional emails and business writing. Notice the patterns, vocabulary, and structures successful professionals use. Save well-written emails as templates. Model your communication on proven examples.
Fix 5?
Maya, practice writing in professional context even when you don't need to. Write mock business emails, practice proposals, create reports. The more you practice professional writing, the more natural it becomes.
Let's do a quick test. I'll say something unprofessional, you make it professional.
Perfect. Go ahead.
Hey, got your email. The thing you asked about, we can probably do it next week, I think.
Hello. Thank you for your email. Regarding your inquiry, we can accommodate your request next week.
Much better. My turn. Sorry for the late reply. Been super busy.
I apologize for the delayed response. I've been managing several urgent matters.
Nice. One more. Let me know if you need anything.
Please don't hesitate to contact me if you require further assistance.
These sound so much more polished. Now, let's address a big question. Is perfect English necessary for success?
Great question. No, perfection isn't necessary, but avoiding obvious mistakes builds credibility and trust.
So, we're not aiming for native speaker perfection.
No, we're aiming for clear, professional communication that doesn't distract from our message.
If your grammar is distracting, people focus on the mistakes instead of your ideas.
Exactly. Fix the most glaring errors and your content will shine through. Here's what's most important. Consistent improvement. You don't need to fix everything today.
Pick 2 or 3 mistakes from our list and focus on those this month.
Yes, master those, then move to the next ones. Gradual improvement is sustainable improvement.
Let's give homework. What should people do this week?
Choose 3 mistakes from our list that you know you make. Write them on a sticky note by your computer.
Constant visual reminder?
Yes. Then, consciously check for these errors before sending any email or message this week.
Day by day, it becomes automatic.
Exactly. Your brain will start catching the errors before you even make them.
Also, read 1 professional article or business email daily.
Notice how they structure sentences and use formal language.
Learning by observation?
It's incredibly effective. Your brain absorbs professional patterns subconsciously.
All right, everyone, comment below. Which mistake from our list do you make most often?
Be honest. Identifying your weak spots is the first step to improvement.
And share one professional phrase you learned today that you'll start using.
Remember, professional English isn't about sounding fancy. It's about communicating clearly and appropriately for your context.
See you in the next video.
Keep improving.